In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inside rear door handle on this Honda Odyssey. Let's get into it. We're going to take this inner handle off. You're going to need a window crank tool or a clip tool that looks like this. You go in behind the handle with the clip out and just grab the handle. You can take the tool out and it slides right off. Here's the clip right here. You can slide that into the handle, just like that. Now take the handle, line it up, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.